Hey there, it's Alfredo Rivera, the broker of Beatus Realty.
I'm Gustavo Santana with the Alfredo Rivera Group.
And today we are in Venice, Florida, here to introduce you to one of our latest listings.
This lovely single family home right here in the community of Tortuga has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 1,855 square feet.
This is one property you won't want to miss. See you inside.
This lovely modern kitchen features granite countertops, white cabinets all around with silver finishes to match all the stainless steel appliances. Also, a large L-shaped pantry for all your storage needs, and a large island with dual sinks, a dishwasher, extra cabinets for storage, and a breakfast bar on the opposite end. This home features 3 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, 1,855 square feet. And with the 9-foot ceilings and this open space, you can truly feel all of that 1,855 square footage. From the room to have a dining area that comes equipped with a large window allowing all this natural lighting in, to the space of the living room for all your daily entertainment needs and relaxation. Another really neat feature that I personally like is this 3-panel sliding glass door. What I really like about it is not only does it open on both sides, left and right, but it also opens right in the middle, really and truly allowing you to enjoy the beautiful Florida weather all year round.
This home is equipped with an 8-foot entry door that has a frosted glass window, allowing plenty of natural light to come in, all while maintaining your privacy. The floors are completely tiled throughout. That includes your bedrooms, and your windows are hurricane impact rated windows. Now, one nice feature about this home is that every single bedroom is completely separated. So come on down with me into this bedroom, and as you're coming down this hallway, you have your laundry room, and straight on through is your 2-car garage. So as you come on down, now you're into one of your guest bedrooms, which has its own bathroom. Really nice feature, as it can be utilized for an in-law suite. Over on this side of the home, you have your second guest bedroom, as well as your guest bathroom and plenty of closet space.
Now, in the back end of the house, we find ourselves in the master bedroom. This large, spacious bedroom features 2 walk-in closets, his and hers. And as we enter into this nice space, we're immediately greeted by some beautiful natural lighting, as we have 2 large windows, one overlooking the backyard. And on the other side, we have the master bathroom. This bathroom features a very long vanity from wall to wall with his and her sinks, and also an extra large tiled shower that includes a frosted glass window, again, for very nice natural lighting and privacy. The homeowners association for this property is currently $824 to be paid quarterly. This fee includes lawn care and maintenance, and also includes cable and internet inside the home. This gem is conveniently located just 15 minutes away from some of the most beautiful beaches you can find on the west coast of Florida, as well as the historical downtown Venice, and is surrounded by parks and preserves for all your outdoor enjoyment. This 2-year-old home has everything your family may potentially be looking for. We want to thank you for taking the time to see this video. And if you like what you saw or have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to give us a call today.
That's right, give us a call. You'll find our number below. Once again, Alfredo Rivera with Gustavo Santana from Beatus Realty, and we look forward to speaking with you real soon. Take care and be blessed.